I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our 11-ounce glass mug.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our 11-ounce clear mug. So we do have a transfer here. One thing to note about this mug is since it doesn't have a white patch, or of course it's not white, you are going to lose a little bit of your color. So what Meredith has done here is created a nice vibrant design. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop and printing with our Sawgrass printers. And we did use the 3.5 by 9-inch mug paper. So we're going to center this on here. And as always, make sure not to overlap your tape with your design. Therefore, it will not cause any discoloration. Okay, we are pressing today at 340 degrees for 240 seconds.
And today in this video, we are using our BJ870. It's a 4-in-1 mug press. And for this item, we are using our 11-ounce and 15-ounce element.
You want to remove your transfer immediately. And there you go.
So now you have one personalized 11-ounce mug. And again, just note your colors. That is one thing with this item. Again, Meredith has used vibrant colors for the design, so those are gonna really pop. So if you use lighter colors, pastels, they're still gonna show up, but they're not gonna show up as vibrant. Also, when you put liquid in it, it's gonna be a little bit more vibrant depending on the color of your liquid.
And if you do have white in your image, it will come through as the clear of the glass.
There you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.